All right, welcome back, Money Makers. Thank you guys. We are getting so close to 400 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. But today I want to talk about this class law action suit lawsuit that's happening with Google. I know it was one that happened like over a year or two ago, but it's a new one, and it's like has to do with plaintiffs pretty much saying that Google stole their data and used it against their own will. So basically, if you got an email like this, that's saying that Google has previously, um, if you had this setting that was turned on, basically that was turned on, you by Google somehow, then you will be part of their class action lawsuit, and it's allegedly if you receive this particular email. So it says what is the lawsuit about? It says four Google account holders, plaintiffs file a class action lawsuit alleging that Google um, LLC unlawfully accessed their devices and data and app activity on their mobile devices, even though the Google App Controls and Web App Activity WAA and or setting and or subsetting concerning Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services, sometimes called supplementary app web and activity. They were turned off or paused. Plaintiffs allege Google unlawfully access their mobile devices to collect, save, and use the data concerning their activity on non-Google apps that have incorporated certain Google software code into the apps. Plaintiffs have three legal claims. One, invasion of privacy. Two, intrusive upon seclusions similar to invasion of privacy and violation of the Comprehensive Computer Data Access Fraud Act. For all of three legal claims, plaintiffs seek money damages and changes to Google practices. So basically, they are alleging that Google is stole their data. And what I went on here, I just wanted to kind of see when I logged into my own Google, what was that about? Because normally we don't know all of the settings that's actually happening within Google. So it's really important to understand what they're talking about. So if you go onto this particular page right here, you can even access it through this one. It shows you step by step of what they mean by if something was the web app was turned on. And when I looked into it further and I went and I clicked on that, I got to this. So this was turned off. So basically, they saying if this was turned on somehow by Google, that you are part of the law class action lawsuit, basically, and you can start to file a claim. But now the good news is you don't actually have to file a claim because you're going to be included in it anyway, and the money's going to be given to you. They even say that in the actual email. If you got an email from them, um, this particular email right here, if you got an email from them, you are part of the law. If you are part of the class action lawsuit, so it's important that you do not throw this email out, that you save it because you never know when it's going to actually have a payment start processing on your end. So do not throw this out. This is not a scam. I just wanted to kind of let everybody know that. I'm probably gonna be the first one to ever cover it. Um, and don't throw it out. Make sure you're saving it because it might come up. They might actually send another email saying that hey, now it's time to actually file the claim. Because I'm assuming if you're gonna have to file it in order to get the money. So other than that, I kind of want you to guys to just I will follow back up with this. But other than that, take care, money makers. Bye now.